Hello everyone, this is M3 SAKO channel, YouTube. Also we have a TikTok, same name, M3 SAKO. So I'm gonna show what we done on my Infiniti G80 M3 Competition X Drive. Let's see what I'm done with this car. Okay guys, now we're gonna show what we upgrade. So here's carbon fiber front lip and carbon fiber vents. Here you can look carbon fiber duck spoiler, the Dynan brand. It's pretty nice and cool.
What's not cool are all those in the back.
Yeah, don't look over there. That garbage.
You don't want those. You want those.
Okay, you ready? You ready to see engine bay area? Let's show it. Let's show it what's going on over there. Look at here. Look at here. It's so sexy. So beautiful. Look at here. Carbon fiber engine cover. Carbon fiber intakes. Titanium bolts upgrade. The oil, the cap, everything upgraded. Everything upgraded. And start bar upgraded. Carbon fiber. It's all Dynan. So also you cannot see we have more upgrades under the car. It's a high flow downpipe and we have mid pipe straight going. Sounds so crazy. You will hear in the video very soon.